Hello friends, welcome to the channel Bhagya Media 1. The merit list of the applicants who appeared for the entrance examination in June 2022 for admission to MCA Science at the University Department are displayed on the notice boards of the department as well as on the university website. The displayed list contains the general merit numbers as well as respective reserve category merit numbers. The second and spot round of admission for MCA Science program will be conducted on Tuesday 30th August 2022. Candidates as per this merit list will be considered for second and spot round of admission at the department. All students called for the second and spot round of admission should report on Tuesday 30th August 2022 at 11 am sharp. And the venue is Department of Computer Science, DOT Building, 3rd floor, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. No separate intimation will be sent to the students at any round. Spot round will be conducted immediately after other university admission round. Only those students who are called and personally present on the day and time specified above will be considered for admission. The students called for admission round should note that the admission will be offered on merit and will be subject to availability of seats and their fulfilling the eligibility criteria. The students will also have to produce the receipt of payment of the fees for the entrance examination, and those who have not paid the entrance examination fees will not be considered for admission. 3% reservation for physically challenged students and 10% reservation for ex-service personnel. Any physical challenged students or the children of ex-service personnel should remain present for the second and spot round along with the relevant document. Those students who are offered admission will have to submit original relevant certificates including mark sheet along with Xerox copies and collect their admission letter on the same day. Also, they will have to make full or partial payment of the fees immediately thereafter. Interconversion of reserve category seats and final conversion of any seats remaining vacant in any of these reserve category into general category will be done as per government or university rules in the second round. And kindly bring the following required documents: entrance exam hall ticket, entrance exam fee receipt, 12th mark sheet original and self-attested, graduation all semester mark sheet original and self-attested, gap certificate if any, caste and caste validity certificate if applicable, and non-creamier certificate if applicable. If you are visiting this channel first time, then don't forget to press the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Have a good day.